na, you know that Christmas is not a season, sabi nila, it's a feeling. It's a feeling of joy, di ba? Peace and love. So that's why we're so blessed, no, with Hauslands, yung client friend natin. We're so blessed na for coming up with this kind of, it's actually not a Christmas party for me, it's a fellowship actually. This is beyond likes, content, photos. This is beyond that.
Yep.
This is friendship. This is a fellowship. This is it's a celebration. So I wish everyone a Merry Christmas. And Sir Mike, thank you for organizing this one and the beautiful angels of Hauslands. Thank you very much. I wish everyone a Merry Christmas, a heart free of guilt, of doubt, of hatred, but of pure joy and love. So I hope next year, mapatuloy na yung summit natin. I hope we'll have a productive and fruitful year next year with all of you. So, support local, support vloggers or influencers. Basta, yun. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!
Happy na ring influencers, vloggers, Kinig Pampanga. This is brought to us by Hauslands. This is our second year actually. Last year natin kami mo naman. Merry Christmas!
Na kanya, tapos kanilang ulang ground.
Gusto yan naman.
Wow.
And I am hoping to engage with all of you next year and do an activity or program or project with you. Good morning and thank you.
Kita.
These are just some of the people Kinig Pampanga who does been vlogging. Atin mo naman professional photographers, digital marketers, what else? Digital agency, business, mga yan Abe-abe. So, dakala salamat Hauslands, dakala salamat. Masaya yung mga nini, masaya. Abe mila pala rin Ben and Ben?
Hindi na kayo magpa-vlog. Kung nag-vlog kayo, ipapangbayan. Events lang gagawin.
Hi, Kuya. Sorry, gusto
Nan
ko
baba
talagang
ka?
pumunta.
Wala.
Kasi lang, support ko na lang yung
Babo
Kabalen, what's up, guys? Ayan.
Artistahin ni guys, artistahin ni.
Joke, kunyari, artista, just lang.
Mix. Nice to see you, man. Nice to see you.
So ganing Christmas party ng Hauslands, kaya bimla siyempre ring influencers. Kalupan na ning wearing Pampanga, boy, Abangan, Morning Sweet Bow. Supportan nyo na guys.
Support local. Support with the local.
Kaya bimiyari pala yung
Brother, after a year. Yeah?
1 year.
4 years to come.
4 years to come.
Pampanga.
28 minutes. Wow! Yeah!
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ano bang price ba?
Thank you po.
O may mga
Saka dalawa ba?
Starbucks ka na. Ayan, dami. Ikaw na kayo price. Congrats! Okay.
Thank you, Mami.
Congratulations! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!